Yo, what's up? My name is Priyanshu, and today I'm going to talk about 10 Chrome extensions that will boost your productivity. Browser extensions are a really powerful tool. Extensions can not only enrich your browsing experience but also provide insane value that will boost your overall productivity. And today my main focus will be on web developers. But before getting into the list, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Now here are the 10 extensions every web developer should try. Number 1 is Vaporizer. Every time I see a website, I wonder what tech stack under the hood runs the site. And Vaporizer inspect all the tech stack used in the website and list all of them. It lists front-end libraries, frameworks, plugins, advertising networks, and everything that it able to detect. It finds out what websites are built with, create list of website and contact, monitor your competitor's website, automate technology lookups, and also prevent bounced emails. So this extension is a must use for web developers. Number 2 is Awesome Screenshots. So if you are a web developer or someone who uses the internet for his work, they have to constantly take screenshots for various purposes. And Awesome Screenshots make it easy for us to take screenshots of all browsers. The best part about this extension is that it has a fewer features that can be really helpful. Features like full page screenshots, screen recording, custom area screenshot, etc. So this is another must-have extension, definitely try. Number 3 is Site Palette. So finding a matching color theme for the web page is quite a challenge. But suppose you visit a site and you like the color theme of that website. So with Site Palette, you can actually copy that theme. Site Palette provides all the color palettes of that site and you can use those color palettes for your own website. So this is a very cool extension, definitely try. Number 4 is User JavaScript and CSS. So this is a very useful extension. With this extension, you can inject custom CSS and JavaScript into any website you want. You can use it to hide annoying things like the news feed of Facebook, trending hashtags into Twitter, etc. And there are many more use cases, so you guys can try this extension. This is a pretty cool one. Number 5 is Simple Scrapper. This is also an awesome extension. It allows you to extract data from any website intelligently and convert it into APIs or let you to download them in the desired format. I love this extension for so many reasons. The use cases are immense. So definitely a pretty amazing extension. Number 6 is Octotree. So Octotree allows you to browse code in GitHub faster. So whenever you are looking at a GitHub repo, you have to jump back and forth to understand the code. What Octotree does is it lists all the files and folders on the left side of the browser, which makes it easier to browse the files of the project. So definitely a time saver extension. Number 7 is Formworld. So remember that last oh shit moment when everything you typed in online form got lost? Yeah, that is a pretty bad feeling. But Formworld will save you from that. Formworld allows you to save the form so that you don't have to refill the form again because of some silly errors. So this is definitely a time saver extension and you should definitely add this to your extension list. Number 8 is Web Developer Checklist. This extension will remind you of things and practices that you may miss while building a website. It will warn you about SEOs, media queries, favicons, unfriendly URLs, and small things that make a huge impact on website visitors. So if you are a web developer, then this is a must-have extension. Number 9 is JSON View. So what JSON View does is it beautifies JSON and make them readable and appealing to eyes. So if you are a web developer, you can try this extension. And number 10 is Temp Mail. So this is not exactly a web developer extension, but a pretty useful one. It provides you a temporary mail for a certain time, which you can use if you don't want your email to be in any newsletters. So this is an essential extension and you should definitely have this.